to you real quick this morning, man, just to give you some game on having a secured credit card. So if your credit is bad and you're building your credit and you're trying to get your credit started and established, you want to get you a secure credit card if you can from a bank that you're even banking with, or going to them, putting your own money. And to be honest with you, you need to at least start with $500. So when you do that, this is how you do it to really boost your numbers up, because I didn't know this. So now I'm going to tell you this and share this game with you. Once, say you put $500 in there, you want to maintain this card 8 months at least. Years great, but at least 8 months. But you only want to spend 30% of the card. So that means that you're never maxing it out. So say if you got a $500 limit and you spend $400 every month, even though you might pay it off, it still is not just going to look good. You want to spend 30% of that $500. No more than 30. Keep paying it. That way you still got money built up. That's showing you got other sources of income, and you're not just using that as a sole source of a card, because you get points off of it, but it doesn't give you as stronger points if you don't do it that direction. So just want to give you that game, man. Maybe that might help someone. Like I say, I didn't know this until yesterday. After sitting in the bank talking to a lady, we was going over a few things, and she was like, you know what, they don't tell people this, but this is what you got to do. And I was like, wow, I get it now. Hog on.